So originally, this vehicle did not have a 4.7. The VIN comes back as a 5.2 liter V8 engine. So that would make sense. It makes all the sense in the world. So originally, somebody swapped it out to a 4.7 or they had a 5.2 and you just told me a 4.7. So now we put, what size engine do we put in there?
We put a 5.9 out of a 99 Dodge Durango.
And now that we have it installed, you're saying that there's a hard short to ground. As soon as you hook up the battery, we get a fuse that pops. Is that correct?
Yep.
All right. Let me pull up a wiring diagram here. All right. It's a 50 amp fuse. What number fuse is it?
It's the only main fuse right where the battery hooks up the ground and the hot to the battery, or to the fuse box. It's the only fuse 50 amp in front there.
Is it right at the battery?
Yeah, it's right at the fuse box, right at the front of the fuse box where the hot wire and the ground wire come into the fuse box.
Hang on, time out. There shouldn't be any ground wire going into the fuse box. That's only power. So if you got a ground hooked up to the power, it will pop the fuse.
So that ground needs to be grounded to the frame of the rig instead of the wire coming into the fuse box then.
Well, right, and it should be a red wire. So under no circumstances you want to run a ground directly from the battery to the fuse box. That could be the problem right there.
Now listen, if we take one wire runs down to the starter and the other one goes to the battery, that's how it works, right?
That's correct.
I want to say thank you very much. Have a good day.
All right, thanks a lot. You too.